Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to print this pattern. So let's analyze the pattern first. In this pattern we can see 5 lines that indicates 5 rows. Okay, this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row, this is the fourth row, and last of all this is the fifth row. And how many columns we have? For the first row we are getting on the 1 column, for the second row we are getting on the 2 column, for the third row we are getting 3 columns, for the fourth row we are getting 4 columns, and for the fifth rows we are getting 5 columns. So we can say that we are getting, the column number is equal to the row number, right? Because if the row number is 3 we are getting 3 columns, if the row number is 5 we are getting 5 columns, like this. And row number is equal to the number of m. Okay, like for this pattern the value of n is 5, so we are printing 5 lines, 5 rows, and in each rows we are printing the number of column equal to the number of row. Okay, like this. And which value we need to print? Look closely. This is the first row, and this is the first column, we are printing 1. This is the second row, we are printing 2 2. This is the third row, we are printing 3 3 3. This is the fourth row, we are printing 4 4 4 4, and this is the fifth row, we are printing 5 in all the elements in this row. Okay, so we are printing the value of row. So what we can learn from this pattern, the total number of lines is equal to the total number of rows, and in each rows we are printing the columns, and the column number is equal to the number of rows. If the row number is 2, then the column will also be 2 columns, like this. And we are printing the value of row. Okay, so let's head over to our code. For now I am using PyCharm. You can use any text editor or IDE you want. This is completely fine. Okay, so first of all I need to get the value from the user, and it must have it should be an integer value, and I am giving a nice message for the user: enter the value for n, like this. Okay, and this is the outer for loop for printing the rows, for the row number, for row in range, it starts from 1 and it ends at n plus 1. Okay, and this will be our inner for loop for column in range, and it will start from 1 and it will run till row plus 1. Okay, and what value we need to print? We need to print the value of row, and I want a space after that, and I don't want any new line character. Okay, fine. And after printing the column in a single row, we need a new line. So for that, this. Now if I simply run this code, enter the value for n5. Let me maximize the terminal window so that you can see it clearly. 1 2 2 3 3 3. Let me keep it side by side so that you can check whether we are getting the exact output we want or not. For the value of n equal 5, 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 5 5 5 5 5, like this. Okay, the code runs successfully, and we have also achieved our goal. So thank you everyone, and I will see you in the next video.